Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a chocolate mug cake. It literally is a 2-minute recipe and I'm sure it will fulfill all your cake cravings. So without any further ado, let's get started. For making chocolate mug cake, you need all-purpose flour 3 tablespoons, cocoa powder 2 tablespoons, sugar 3 tablespoons, baking powder 1/4 teaspoon, melted butter 3 tablespoons, milk 3 tablespoons, vanilla essence 1/4 teaspoon and chocolate chunks. So in a mug we'll add in all-purpose flour, that is maida. This is around 3 tablespoons of maida. Along with it we'll also add in cocoa powder. Then goes in sugar and finally baking powder. Now we'll give all our dry ingredients a very nice and thorough mix. Let's start adding the wet ingredients. First goes in milk. Then we'll add vanilla essence. And finally butter. So again we'll give it a very nice mix और make sure कि इसमें कोई भी lumps ना हो. To add the final touch, we'll add in some chocolate chunks. Now this is completely optional. Just give it a nice mix. So our batter is now ready to go into the microwave for 2 minutes at 850 power setting. So our decadent chocolate mug cake is ready. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy cooking.